Breaking news coming in. A major crash was averted at 4 p.m. at the Gwalior airport. The flight was supposed to land at 2 p.m., but it was a risky landing, so it was immediately again, the takeoff was happened again. Takeoff took place again. The passengers screamed and they continuously were shouting in a state of panic inside the aircraft. The aircraft was seconds away from losing the entire control of the manuals in the plane. The aircraft lost balance and tilted to one side, which caused panic among 150 passengers on board. Passengers say the plane shook violently during the landing, which forced the pilot to take off again. And after some time, the aircraft attempted at a second landing, but even then its speed was unusually high and could not land. So, two incidents today, in fact, viewers, Mumbai airport and now at the Gwalior airport. Harsha, my colleague, joins us live on the broadcast for more. Harsha, tell us about this incident. Another scare that was reported today.
Yes, Rakshita rightly pointed out, but I'll ask the PCR also to make it Air India Express for all our viewers to understand also. It was the Boeing 737-800 MAX Air India Express aircraft, which flew from Bengaluru to land at Gwalior Airport at around 2 o'clock. But rather than landing at 2 o'clock, it landed at 4 o'clock because the first time landing went wrong. The first time landing narrowly escaped with 10 seconds with a crash. And we got to know it not only from the passengers who were in that particular aircraft at that time, but also through our sources in DGCA as well. Because the prelim report has been shared with DGCA by the express authorities as well. The first time landing when at 2 o'clock happened, one side of the wing and one side of the tire were completely not supporting the aircraft. At that time when the landing happened, all the entire pressure was on the one side. And it was that time when the passengers which were seated inside completely jolted. They went in panic. They were screaming and shouting. The pilot immediately at that time tried and initiated the second time landing. He immediately took off the plane rather than landing it completely, took off the plane once again, and the second round of landing was initiated at around 4 o'clock. And at 4 o'clock also the landing was not a smooth landing. The aircraft was at highest speed and the passengers felt that something is wrong with the aircraft. There was a major technical issue with the aircraft, which now will be told and informed by the authorities, Air India Express authorities, to the DGCA. They have to share, because this entire incident has jolted not only the passengers but aviation industry itself as well, Rakshita, because time and again we have seen that several show cause notices were shared were given by the regulatory body DGCA to Air India and Express as well for a lot of technical snag which has been seen and which has been witnessed by the passengers after AI 171 crash. But clearly the passenger safety doesn't seem to be of utmost importance for the Air India and Express officials. That was the reason when passengers landed at Gwalior Airport, they were so much in panic, they were scared and they tried to complain to the airport authorities, and airport authorities didn't pay heed to their complaint. In fact, the Air India officials were also unresponsive to their complaint. They had to upload their videos on social media to make the authorities understand that how serious this matter is. And right now what we know is that Air India Express has shared the statement where they have stated that yes, it was a landing which was uneventful and also with a precautionary measure which the pilot had taken, and it had to make several turnarounds in the air before landing properly at Gwalior Airport. This is a statement which has been shared by Air India Express spokesperson, but Rakshita, it raises a lot of concerns for passenger safety that still we are witnessing technical snag and such landings by Air India Express plane, whether it be Air India or Air India Express plane today, which narrowly escaped crash. A major crash was averted, and it is really a concerned issue. And also DGCA now should pull up Air India Express for such landings. They should really pull up the authorities for seeking answers from the pilot and pilot in command that what sort of landing is this, and whether if there was a technical snag and technical issue, why the ATC was not informed, why the Air India authorities were not informed about the technical issue with the aircraft at first time when the plane was taking off from Bengaluru Airport. Rather than not flying the aircraft, the authorities chose in Air India to fly the aircraft from Bengaluru to Gwalior. The first time landing went wrong. The second time landing was initiated, which was also not a smooth landing. And with seconds, the plane has escaped with a crash. Back to you.
Right, Harsha, DGCA, as you said, must pull up. We've seen surveys happening, we've seen inspections happening, conducted by the DGCA. But it really doesn't really have any impact, because as these incidents continue day in and day out. Today, a total of 2 incidents. This is a Boeing plane. Mumbai was an Indigo Airbus. And of course, we know that there has been a pattern to it for the longest time since the Ahmedabad plane crash. We've seen there is a continuous pressure. But there is no end to these technical issues, because it seems that no concrete step is taken in this direction.
What is more bizarre to understand, Rakshita, is also that the Air India officials are also not taking the show cause notices of the regulatory body very seriously. If you remember, on our own channel, we literally broadcasted that how there were 50 key failures which were told by DGC authorities after the inspection and the audit at Air India office. Not only that, just on Friday we reported down how a warning was given by the regulatory body to Air India, and after back-to-back warnings also the technical snacks continue. The MEL continues. The aircraft are flying with minimum equipment list. The maintenance agencies, they are signing the log sheet without even telling the authorities that what the major technical snagging issues are. The Air India several Boeings have been grounded, and still the ones which are flying, they are witnessing technical snags. It is a matter of concern, because again and again, Campbell Wilson and the Air India authorities are meeting DGCA. They are trying to showcase the concern. They are trying again and again to send out a statement that we are very responsible aircraft and airline industry. We are concerned about the passenger safety, and therefore this much of aircraft have been grounded already. But the matter of the fact is, the passengers who are flying in Air India, they're still scared. They're scared because they don't know whether the route is Bengaluru-Gwalior, whether the route is Kolkata to Patna or to Delhi, Mumbai to Delhi aircraft. These multiple aircraft have been witnessing technical snag issue, and not any technical snag has been fixed. The aircraft is sent for AOG, which is aircraft on ground. They say it will go for maintenance and repairing. But again, the same aircraft, the same Boeing witnesses, and what is being reported is the technical snag. And today we have seen AI-171 crash. 256 people lost their lives. And after that, Campbell Wilson came out open in public. When Republic also confronted Campbell Wilson, he went on by saying that no, the airline maintains the responsibility about the passenger safety and security. But what we are witnessing on ground is that today also a major crash was averted from seconds. Almost seconds. The flight landed. The first time landing went wrong. The entire aircraft was on one side, and it lost its balance. Aircraft losing its balance on the runway while landing, it's a major issue. And it's the time that not only the regulatory body, but MOCA also pulls up and takes stringent action against Air India and Air India Express for flying the aircraft with immense technical snag, where the wings are not working, the tire is not working, the aircraft is landing on one side, and again the second time the landing is being initiated. This is a matter of concern. They can't just get away by sending out a statement to the public and to the passengers by stating that it was a regular turnaround exercise as a precautionary measure taken by the pilot. It was just an uneventful landing at Gwalior. What is uneventful landing at Gwalior Airport? The authorities in Air India need to explain to all the passengers. And now they are coming out to Republic. They are stating that no, it's a harsh word and harsh lines which we are showcasing to our passengers. We are not creating any sort of fear. We are just trying to tell the passengers that the airline industry, and particularly Air India and Air India Express, they are not ensuring passenger safety. Every day we are reporting technical snag. Every day it is being reported that how technical snags are being reported, but nothing is happening concrete on ground. Whether it is the repairing or maintenance or fixing the minimum equipment list in the aircraft. Back to you.
Absolutely, of course. This is a shocking state of affairs that we continue to report, and we will continue to report, of course, because because we see that that there's nothing that has been done. As you said, that there were concerns raised by the passengers also in this case, and we also see some visuals also on social media. They're very, very enraged, and they've also sort of written a complaint letter together and signed that. Anything that you are hearing on from your sources, that is there any action being mulled, any report has been sought till now?
So, Rakshita, right now what we have gotten to know is that only the prelim information has been shared with the regulatory body to DGCA by the Air India Express officials. And what we know so far is that DGCA has not gotten back to Air India Express about the investigation on the investigation line yet. I believe because it's late in the because late in the evening, around 7 o'clock only, the regulatory body were informed. And in this case, also you can see the attitude of the airline, this particular airline. The incident occurred at around 4 o'clock in the evening, but the regulatory body was informed at around 7 o'clock in the evening about the incident. Only the preliminary information was shared. But what about the investigation part? What more they sought, what more was done with the technical snag fixing in the aircraft that yet has not been shared with the regulatory body? And Rakshita, for all our viewers, yes, I personally spoke to few passengers who landed at Gwalior Airport. Almost 25 passengers have signed with their particular name and exactly what went wrong, what happened inside the aircraft. They have shared the letter with the complaint with the airports authority after landing at Gwalior Airport. Not only that, they complained to Air India as well. The Air India was unresponsive. The officials were not paying heed to the complaint. In fact, they went on by saying to the passengers that if you want, the return ticket can be cancelled. Full refund to the passengers will be initiated. Most of the passengers, Rakshita, have already cancelled their return. Many passengers who came to Gwalior, they landed at Gwalior to celebrate Shri Krishna Janmashtami, have planned their return back to Bengaluru. Now they are not flying back from this particular Air India Express aircraft. Many have cancelled. Many have applied for already the entire amount to be refunded of the return flight. And also many have went on by saying that it was the very scary flight experience which they have gone today. 150 passengers on board, and still pilots and the officials are not agreeing and not sharing what went wrong with the aircraft.
Yeah.
But yes, what we have gotten to know from our regulatory body sources is that the wings, and there was problem with the wing during landing. Therefore, the entire aircraft lost its control and it landed on one side completely. And the pilot again has to initiate the second round for landing. That was a major
Right.
issue. But yeah, passengers are very scared and they're very agitated with the kind of attitude the airlines is now holding. Back to you.
Harsha, will continue this conversation and get more updates on that story, because Republic TV will continue to raise questions on what's been happening and as the passengers' lives are jeopardized day in and day out. Thank you so much, Harsha. We'll be right back, viewers, with more breaking developments and updates on this story at 10 p.m. It's time now for the long-form story.